I'm John, the Sales and Service Manager for NH Ross. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about why it's so important to perform preventative maintenance on your air conditioning system. If you're sitting at home right now and you have an air conditioning system and you're thinking to yourself, I'm going to have to turn this on pretty soon. You're probably too late, but you still have a little window of time. Give NH Ross a call, we will come over and we will perform preventative maintenance on your system. We will come out, we will take a look at every inch of your air conditioning. We will check your outdoor condenser, your indoor air handler. We will check all of your filters, we will check your refrigerant levels, we will check and make sure that your system is ready to go for cooling season. And if we find anything at all that is a concern, we will let you know about it and talk to you about your options to make sure that this cooling season you are not left sweating it out.
It's Ross to rescue!